Hi guys, it's me, Yellow Banana. I will show you how to get free wraps for your guns. Now the first wrap you can get by asking this guy 30 times. Like, wait, who are you? And this, you always press the green ones and then perish. And then you just do this 30 times and you will get a free wrap. It's a pretty sick wrap if you ask me, but um, you can change it if you want to, but I think it's really good. Now, if you want some more wraps, you can do um, like this, and you do your contracts like playing, then you get this blue one. If you play enough, you need to play it like 2 hours. If you play so like this, and with bow the same thing, so you have to play like roughly about 2 hours, then you'll get it. It's a really easy task. You just have to equip your gun for 2 hours, so just play. And like this sniper, I really like my sniper, so it will be easy for me to do this. So I go to contract and look, I already have the blast, so these are really easy skins to get. So do your contracts please, because it's really good. Now if you want a skin case, you have to do the pass, because there are skin case tickets. If you get 10 skin case tickets, you will have enough to buy a skin case. Like 10 skin case tickets are equal to one skin case. So you have to do this if you want a skin case. This is for today, so bye bye.